the commodities space, and Manisha has escaped the heavy rains in Mumbai, and she's joining us to put the spotlight on metals from a different location. Manisha.
Well, yes, escaping Mumbai rains right now, but not for too long, clearly. The last day of the week has seen most of the commodity prices gain up. So whether you look at energy, metals, all of that is trading on the positive side. But I do want to focus on silver and copper, because this week has been all about these two commodities. You have the silver prices trading above $39 an ounce. And in the Indian markets, the silver is trading at an all-time high at very close to 1,17,000 rupees a kg thereabouts. When it comes to copper, well, the U.S. copper prices are trading at a record highs. We've seen $5.9 a pound in the overnight markets there, and that is because the global scenario really seems to be changing. If you look at the dollar index, we're trading at 3-week lows onto that one. The risk appetite has strengthened in the global markets as well. There is progress about trade negotiations with U.S. for most of the trading partners. We do hear that the U.S. and China trade conversation could extend beyond second week of August as well. The US-European Union seem closer to a deal. Even for Japan, for that matter, we seem to have seen that tariff lower from 25 to 15%. So that means that you would be looking at more demand coming in from various these economies for metals, and that has been supportive. Also, China pushing for auto, for infrastructure, for manufacturing and electric equipment has been supportive for both these green energy metals, which is silver and copper itself. I also want to talk to you about the US Fed meeting, which is in the next week, where the markets are anticipating that we would not see an interest rate cut, but there is now a 70% probability of a rate cut coming in for the month of September. That also seems to be keeping many of these metals in good favor there. And finally, let me take you through on what we've done in the past 1 month when it comes to both of these metals. So while silver prices have gained up by 7% in the month of July, you have copper prices up by 14%. But when you look at the last 12 months, we've seen both silver and copper gain anywhere between 40 to 42%. So very strong gains continuing in both of these metals.
All right, take that point. Thank you so much, Manisha, for joining us with those details and what's happening in the commodity space. Let's slip into a break. When we come back, we'll discuss market technicals with Mitesh Thakkar and also discuss their top trading bets.